Good morning. Aesop is a writer in ancient Greece who wrote dozens of stories that are called fables, and the lesser are called morals. So what might happen if Aesop traveled in time and lived with us today? Aesop, come downstairs. We're about to start book club. What? It's tonight? I didn't read the book. Well, then you can sit and listen to our discussion. No worries. I didn't read it either. You didn't? Well, okay. You can listen with Aesop. Actually, I didn't read it either. So I just didn't get to it. Well, did anyone read the book? Ha! Nobody read the book. How we gonna get this book club if nobody reads books? I have an idea. Let's have Aesop tell us one of those charming stories he always tells us, and then we'll talk about that. Seriously, talk about one of his fables? Actually, I do have one really good one. This is called A Monkey and a Dolphin. Haha, awesome. I love monkeys. I love dolphins. There is a ship, and he brings an honest monkey with that captain on the ship, and a mighty storm blows, and the ship is destroyed. The entire crew and the monkey, they have to swim for their lives. And then the dolphin swims, and he loves humans. Thinking the monkey is a man, the dolphin swims under the monkey and supports it. I've got it. I know the moral of this story, Aesop. Help will be there when you need it. I love how helpful the dolphin is, because it is a friend in need as a friend indeed. I am not finished with this story yet. As they get closer to the city of Athens, the dolphin asks the monkey if he is an Athenian. The monkey is afraid to tell the dolphin he is not human, so he says, "Yes, I'm from Athens." "Oh, maybe I didn't get the moral after all." Then the dolphin asks the monkey if he knows Piraeus, which is the name of the famous person. The monkey thought that Piraeus is a man, and he says, "Yes, I know him very well." "Hold up, you said he was an honest monkey." "He was honest until he fell into the sea." So the changes in the plot, in the setting, changes what kind of character the monkey is. It's lucky the dolphin is there to help him. I love dolphins. Just wait for it. What does the dolphin say when the monkey says he knows Piraeus? Well, he does not say anything, but he is pretty mad that he is being lied to. So he flips the monkey off his bed. Awesome! And the monkey drowns. The end. Dude, I don't think a friend in need is a friend indeed is the moral either. No way. The theme definitely changes over the course of the story. I can't believe the dolphin does that.